This is how you play the B-flat harmonic minor scale and arpeggio, hands separate, 2 octaves, and the B-flat harmonic minor primary triad progression in both hands. First, if you know the B-flat major scale, you know that it has 2 black keys, B-flat and E-flat. To make a B-flat major scale, harmonic minor, you just take the 3rd note, 1, 2, 3, and the 6th note, 4, 5, 6, and lower them a half step. So let's go through and say our note names for this scale. We're going to start on B-flat. 1, 2, ready, go. B-flat, C, D-flat, E-flat, F, G-flat, A, B-flat, A, G-flat, F, E-flat, D-flat, C, B-flat. You can see that it uses almost all of the black keys. The only one it doesn't use is A-flat. It uses A natural instead. Let's go over that again in the right hand to give it a chance to play those notes. Saying note names, all the black keys except A-flat. 1, 2, ready, and say B-flat, C, D-flat, E-flat, F, G-flat, A, B-flat, A, G-flat, F, E-flat, D-flat, C, B-flat. Now let's talk about finger numbers in the left hand. You may have noticed I started on my 2 finger, when in B-flat major we start on our 3 finger. That's because of this black key right here. Our black keys frame when we have to cross, so I have to start with my 2, so that by the time I'm ready to play D-flat, I can cross over. So our finger pattern for left hand is going to go 2, 1, and then we'll cross over onto the 2 black keys and play 3, 2, 1. Then we'll cross over onto the 3 black keys, almost, except for A-flat, and play 4, 3, 2. And then for the 2nd octave, it's the same thing. Play 1, cross over, play 3, 2, 1, cross over, play 4, 3, 2. Let's play and say our finger numbers for left hand. 1, 2, ready, play and say 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, cross with 4, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, cross, 1, 2, 3, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. For the right hand finger numbers, it's exactly the same as major. You're going to start on 4, play 1, 2, 3, cross under and play 1, 2, 3, 4. For the 2nd octave, do the same thing, cross and play 1, 2, 3, and then cross 1, 2, 3, 4. Say your finger numbers for right hand as we play it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 4, cross, 1, 2, 3, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, 1, 2, 3, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross, 3, 2, cross with 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, cross, 3, 2, 1, cross with 4. Let's turn on the metronome to see how exam ready we are in left hand, then right hand scale. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, go tay. Now right hand. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, go tay. For the arpeggio, we just need the first note, the third note, and the fifth note. And since we're going to be doing 2 octaves, we'll go ahead and keep that first note too. So I'm going to take away the ones we don't need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 again. I'm going to move these down so that I have room to play my left hand. Let's say our note names, and we can see we have 3 black keys. 2 of them are B flat, and then the other one is D flat. And then we got white key F. Say note names as we play left hand arpeggio. 1, 2, 3. B flat, D flat, F. B flat, D flat, F. B flat. B flat, F. D flat, B flat, F. D flat, B flat. Say note names for right hand. Same notes. 1, 2, 3. B flat, D flat, F. B flat, D flat, F. B flat. B flat, F. D flat, B flat, F. D flat, B flat. For the finger numbers in the left hand, it's the same as B flat major. For the first octave, you'll play 3, 2, 1. For the second octave, you'll play 3, 2, 1. And then at the top, you'll play a 3, because that's what you started on. Say your finger numbers as we play the left hand arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 1. Say your fingers. 3, 2, 1. Cross. 3, 2, 1. Cross. 3. 3, cross, 1, 2, 3, cross, 1, 2, 3. For the right hand, this is going to be different than the B flat major arpeggio. Instead of starting on 4, you're going to start on 2. And you're going to play 2, 3, and then cross under with 1. For the second octave, you're going to do the same thing. 2, 3, 1. Cross, and then you'll have a 2 up top, because that's what you started with. Say the fingers with me as we play the right hand arpeggio. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, cross, 1, 2, 3, cross, 1, 2. 2, 1, cross, 3, 2, 1, cross, 3, 2. Let's build our speed to get exam ready by playing with the click of the metronome. 1, 2, left hand first. 1, ready, play. Let's do the same thing in the right hand. 1, ready, play. let's see how exam ready we are by going eighth notes to the metronome. Remember, keep that arm moving up as the notes move up and down as the notes move down. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay. And now with right hand, again, keeping the arm moving toward the right as notes move up, and toward the left as notes move down. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay. For the primary triads, you're going to start on the 1 chord. So you'll need the same notes as the arpeggio, but we won't need this top one. With the 1, 3, and 5, that is the 1 chord. The only difference between this and the arpeggio is it's played all together. Now, keep both hands on that 1 chord as I show you how to move to 4. Your top 2 notes are going to move up to the next scale tone. So D flat moves to E flat, F moves to G flat. Go ahead and move those top notes, keeping the bottom note the same, to go to 4. Notice in my left hand I'm using my 2 finger, but in my right hand I moved my 3 and 5 up. Using your short-term memory, go back to the 1 chord with 1, 3, and 5 in both hands. Now go to the 4, making sure you use 2 in left hand and you move 3 and 5 up away from the thumb in the right hand. Now keep your hands there as I show you how to move to the 5, 6, 5 chord. Your middle note is going to stay the same. Your outside notes are going to move down a half step to the next note in the scale. So G flat moves back down to F. B flat moves back down to A. So go ahead and move from the 4 to the 5, 6, 5. And you may notice right hand's a little squished with its 3 and 5 finger. So go ahead and switch to the 4 finger on E flat. Using your short-term memory, go back to the 4, 6, 4 chord, remembering to switch to 3 in the right hand. It's all black keys. That's an E flat minor chord. And go back to the 5, 6, 5, remembering to switch to your 4 in the right hand. And then at this point, we keep our top note to go back to the 1 chord. Let's play through that progression again. This time we're going to say how each note moves. So from 1, the top 2 move up. From 4, the outside notes move down. And then at the end, we just go back to 1. 1, 2, saying our moves. Top 2 move up, outside move down, back to 1. This time, I want to say what the chord names are, because this is a good opportunity to experience some other chords in inverted positions, not in their regular root position. So this one, being in thirds, is obviously going to be B flat, because when a chord's in thirds, the bottom note is its name. This is B flat minor. When we move to our 4 chord, the 4th note in B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, is E flat. So the name of our chord is now in the middle, and this is E flat minor. When we move to the 5, 7 chord, the 5th note in B flat, 3, 4, 5, is F. So now our chord name is on the top of the chord. And because there's this step between two of the notes, that shows us only a 7th chord has that. So this is an F7 chord. So again, we're going to play B flat minor to the 4, E flat minor to the 5, F7, and then back to 1, B flat minor. Saying our chord names. 1, 2, 3, 4. B flat minor, E flat minor, F7, B flat minor. And then finally, let's go through and say our Roman numerals. 1, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 5, 1. Here we go. 1, 2, saying Roman numerals. 1, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 5, 1. And we say Roman numerals because the Roman numerals stay the same no matter what key we start on. Let's turn on our metronome and see how exam ready we are by holding each chord for 2 clicks. 1, 2, ready, play.